Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how it is possible to run my projects on a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen. For this example, I'll use the video of my GPIO tutorial. I'll put that tutorial link in the description. In the GPIO tutorial, I show you how to turn an LED on and off. The user interface on the touchscreen uses the elevated button widget to change the state of the GPIO from 1 to 0. All of the tutorials are designed to be individual building blocks. When combined, we will be able to create complex IoT-connected, embedded systems that use touchscreen technology. Let's get back to the touchscreen discussion. Here is the touchscreen that I use in my tutorials. I'll put the link for the touchscreen in the description. I chose a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen because that is typically the size of many medical, industrial, and agricultural equipment human-machine interfaces. To test all of my various tutorials for general purpose input and output, PWM motor control, I2C, SPI, and universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, I suggest that you set up a demo area like this. I'll put some links in the description for the parts that I use for the tutorials. For the steps required to run your completed app on your Raspberry Pi with this touchscreen, check out this tutorial. I will put the link in the description. That wraps up this tutorial. Check out the description for equipment links and related YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.